One of the great things about the University of Ottawa Brain and Mind Research Institute is our ability to train new researchers to ensure that our research programs continue and that new programs develop over time. It's a new generation of researchers.
Trainees are essential to everything that we do. They make up such a big part of our research program, from undergraduate trainees, master's, PhD, and postdoctoral fellows. So they're really the essential component to everything that we do.
My research focuses on depression and suicide prevention. We are leveraging brain imaging technology to better understand the biological underpinnings and consequences of depression, and to understand the progression from suicidal thoughts to suicide attempts. Here at the Royal, we are dedicated to partnering with patients and clients to better inform our research to ensure that it is relevant to outcomes that are important to them.
The Brain and Mind Research Institute has opened so many doors and avenues for multidisciplinary collaborations. Now, multidisciplinary collaboration are so important in concussion because concussion affects the psychology, the biology, and social networks of a child. And so collaborations among neuroscientists, physicians, physiotherapists, and psychologists and trainees are so important.
What motivates me to study Parkinson's disease is the fact that we really don't understand much about how the brain works, and that's really one of the fortes of the brain and mind, right? So there's this network of scientists, of clinicians, and other workers. So we try to work together as a community, and we actually have a very strong community in Ottawa through the brain and mind of Parkinson's-centered researchers, whether they're clinicians, whether they're nurses, whether they're scientists, that work together with the patient population to come up with interesting new findings.
So I'm an MD PhD student, so that means I go through medical school and graduate school within a combined program. So this puts me in a very unique position where I get to provide care through research. So my supervisors are clinicians and researchers, so I get to see medicine through a clinical practice lens, but also from a research capacity. And this has been such an amazing exposure to provide me and to prepare me to become a successful clinician and scientist.
So the Brain and Mind hosts many different seminars and conferences which foster collaboration and give trainees like me the opportunity to present my research as well as learn about other research that people are doing in the Ottawa area.
uOttawa has been supporting me with multiple opportunities so that I can enhance my skill and knowledge. For example, currently I'm working on a project that looks at the effects of transcranial direct current stimulation on MS-related fatigue. So uOttawa has helped me in collaborating with other researchers who have extensive expertise and experience and training in this particular domain.
Brain and Mind has a lot of opportunities, not only for networking, but also for funding. So some of the awards that they give out are essential pretty much in allowing us to continue our research full time. As a student, finances are always kind of a stressor, and you're often feeling pressured to take on other jobs or to not fully dedicate yourself to research. So having the additional funding that Brain and Mind provides is huge in allowing us to pursue research full time.